accidentally blocked your bestie, or had a change of heart. Today, we're showing you how to easily unblock someone on Snapchat and rekindle that connection. First things first, let's launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Give that little ghost icon a tap to get started. Once you're in, head over to your profile page. You can get there by tapping on your Bitmoji or profile icon, located in the top left corner of the screen. Now, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to access your Snapchat settings. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the Blocked section. It's usually located under the Privacy section. Tap on Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of all the Snapchat users you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock next to their name. You'll see an X or a similar icon. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock this user. Tap Yes to confirm. That's it. The user is now unblocked and can send you snaps and view your stories again. Their name will disappear from your blocked list if you see no blocked users. You have no one blocked. You've successfully unblocked someone on Snapchat. Now you can reconnect and get back to snapping. It's easy to stay on top of your privacy on Snapchat. Be sure to check out more helpful tips in the description below.